Pecan Sandies are a crisp and buttery delicious cookie that comes together within a few minutes. They resemble shortbread cookies except they contain pecans. These cookies go perfectly with a hot cup of coffee or tea. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Use a food processor or a knife to chop up the pecans. Since I like finely cut out pieces of pecans in these cookies, I like using a food processor. Blend until the pecans are cut into fine pieces. In a large mixing bowl, add butter and granulated sugar. Use a hand or stand mixer and cream the butter and sugar together until combined. Add ice water, ground cinnamon, salt, vanilla extract, and the chopped pecans. Add in half of the all-purpose flour. Start mixing the ingredients together. Once the ingredients are mostly mixed together, add in the remaining all-purpose flour. Continue mixing until all of the flour is incorporated. And just a note, the dough will be very crumbly. Cover the bowl with saran wrap and chill the dough in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Once the dough is chilled, start shaping the dough into small balls with your hands. If you are having trouble shaping the dough since it's very crumbly, just continue pushing the dough together until it sticks. If you are looking for other cookie recipes, check out my cookie playlist in the link above or in the video description below. Once shaped, place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, making sure they are evenly spread out. Using the bottom of a glass or the palm of your hand, press the dough down slightly to flatten the cookies. Bake these cookies in a 325-degree preheated oven for about 20 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.